Hello everybody, my name is Neil, and today I'm going to be talking to you about a new emerging infectious disease called Bitcoinitis. The Bitcoinitis signs and symptoms include mass hysteria, a loss of logical thinking and reasoning, panic, anxiety, and a loss of retirement accounts. The current testing standard for Bitcoinitis includes the usage of an intravenous dye. Now, your patients will receive this intravenous dye at healthcare clinics. This is a very invasive, expensive, as well as time-consuming process. We at Reasonable Thinking Technologies have developed a new standard for testing for Bitcoinitis. This new diagnostic test we are calling logical thinking. Logical thinking is painless, inexpensive, and has been tested in a sample population of 10,000 people. In that group of 10,000 people, we found that our test has a sensitivity of 91%. This means that the probability that a test result will be positive when the disease is present, or also known as the true positive rate. When having these discussions with your patients, you can say that we are 91% confident that logical thinking will be positive among those who are diseased with Bitcoinitis. The specificity for our logical thinking test was 15.78%. The definition of specificity is the probability that a test result will be negative when the disease is not present, or also known as the true negative rate. When interacting with your patient populations, you can discuss this as saying, we are 15.78% confident that logical thinking will be negative for those who do not have the disease Bitcoinitis. The logical thinking positive predictive value, sort of related to the sensitivity and prevalence as well as specificity, and this is the probability that the disease is present when the test is positive. When interacting with your patient population, you can say, if the test was positive, how likely is it that they will really have the disease? And that will be roughly about 15%. Along with this, we also looked at negative predictive value, which was 91.5%, also related to specificity, sensitivity, and prevalence of the disease. And the negative predictive value is the probability that the disease is not present when the test is negative. When discussing with your patients, you can say things like, if the test was negative, how likely is it that they really do not have the disease? We are roughly almost 92% positive that if the test is negative, that they really do not have the disease Bitcoinitis. In closing, you guys should choose logical thinking. We have a high sensitivity for true disease cases. We do have a high false positive rate, but we at Reasonable Thinking Technologies believe that the benefits outweigh the high false positive rate based on the ease and cost of usage of our logical thinking testing paradigm. Here are our references for sensitivity, specificity, and predictive values, and that we hope you guys choose our logical thinking test for Bitcoinitis. Thank you.